नमस्ते सर्वेभ्यः वेलकम टू बैच 6 भगवद गीता ध्यान श्लोका recitation competition. Welcome to all the batch 6 devotees. So this is the first competition. Maybe are you excited? Are you interested and excited? Oh, yeah, good. I can see the happy faces. So first we start our session with prayer. Shri Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvikhnam Kuru me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. As it is Dhyana Shloka, I would like to Dhyayami, Narayanam Dhyayami. Namo Narayanaya Namo Namo Narayanaya Namo Narayanaya Saguna Brahmane Narayanaya Saguna Brahmane Nityaparayanaaya Shobhanamurtaye Narayanaya Saguna Brahmane Nityaparayanaaya Shobhanamurtaye Namo Narayanaya Namo Nityaya Vibhudha Samstutyaya Nityadipatyaya Munigana Pratyayaya Nityaya Vibhudha Samstutyaya Nityadhipatyaya Munigana Pratyayaya Satyaya Pratyakshaya Sammanasa Sangatyaya Jagadavana Krityaya Te Namo Satyaya Pratyakshaya Sammanasa Sangatyaya Jagadavana Krityaya Te Namo Namo Narayanaya Namo Namo Narayanaya Namo. It's better to start to keep a divine environment. So let us start. First of all, I welcome the competition panel members. We have, I am the host, I am Radha Rani, maybe all of you know, and Lalita Sita Raman Bhagini, she is the Zoom volunteer.
Namaste.
Lalita Sita Raman Bhagini, Namaste Bhagini. And judges, Swarna Sivaraman Bhagini. She is the
Namaste everyone.
And practice session teacher.
God bless you all.
Namaste.
All the best to all of you. Yes, all the best to all of you.
And Lalita Ganesh Bhagini.
Namaste Sarvebhyah. All the very best to all the participants.
Bhargavi Bhagini.
Namaste Sarvebhyah. All the best to all the participants. Do well.
And Kavita Seshagiri Bhagini.
Namaste Sarvebhyah. Good luck to everyone.
Good. So then, question masters. We have two question masters. Shri Nitya Bhagini. Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste Sarvebhyah. All the best to all.
And Shri Vidya Prasad Bhagini. Shri Vidya Prasad Bhagini. So the backbone of the competition is Arati Bhagini. Namaste Bhagini. So these are the competition panel members. So let us start quickly. We start our competition. So our question masters, are you ready? And all the devotees, are you ready?
Yes, Bhagini.
Yeah, let me explain few guidelines. All will be in videos are on. So when your name is called, then unmute yourself. You will be spotlighted by Laita Bhagini. Then question master will ask you question or something else. I don't know what she has prepared. So it's a suspense to me also. Then you recite the shloka. Keep it louder, volume high. So no need to repeat once again. Just judges will follow the main class rules. Whatever your main class teacher have told, all the grammatical rules, what Lakshmi Bhagini taught in your class. So be aware and recite with all the grammatical rules and Mahapranas and Hrasvas and Dirghas. Sorry, I have gave it a clue to the participants. So I am on the participant side today. So let us start. Judges, participants, question masters, are you ready? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes,
All
Bhagini.
ready.
Over to Shri Nitya Bhagini. So she will explain the first this round's guidelines. All the best, Shri Nitya Bhagini. Dhanyawadaha.
Dhanyawad Bhagini. Namaste Sarvebhyah. Welcome you all to this competition. So in this round, I'll be asking you I'll be asking you only one question, and you have to find out through that question which is the shloka. And before chanting, you will have to say this is the shloka number, and then you'll chant slowly using all the rules which have been taught to you in class. So focus on clear pronunciation and chant very slowly and easily. So, are there any doubts? Is the instruction clear to all? Okay. So, we begin with the first participant. First participant is Anuradha S. Bhagini.
Namaste, Bhagini.
Namaste, Bhagini. Are you ready?
Yes, Bhagini.
Okay. So, now, question for you is, in this shloka, it has been mentioned that a person who drinks holy water of Gita will have no rebirth. That is, if you drink the water of Gita, there will be no rebirth.
Yes. प्रपन्नपारिजाताय.
No, Bhagini.
Sorry.
No problem.
Yeah.
But nice guess.
Uh,
It is between 11 and 15 to make it easier.
11 and 15.
Which is the shloka number, Bhagini?
Bharatamrita sarvasvam.
First, you have to tell which is the shloka number.
Sloka number 1, Bhagini.
1.
12, Bhagini.
Yes, very good, Bhagini. It is shloka number 12. So again, you just repeat which is the shloka number and then you can chant, Bhagini.
Yeah. Sloka number 12, Bhagini.
Yes.
भारतामृत सर्वस्वं विष्णोर्वक्राद्विनिःसृतं गीता गङ्गोतकं पीत्वा पुनर्जन्म न विद्यते सर्वोपनिषदो गावः
Bhagini, only one shloka.
Oh,
Only the shloka which has been asked, only that you're supposed to chant. Uttamam Bhagini, very nice.
thank you. Thank you.
Judges, hope that was clear. Okay. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Next participant is Anuradha Sampath Bhagini. Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste, Bhagini.
Yes. Question for you is, in this shloka, Krishna has been described as son of Vasudeva and Devaki. So your clues are you have to identify where is Vasudeva and Devaki in the shloka.
Shloka number 4, Bhagini.
Very good, Bhagini.
वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णौ वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्.
Very nice, Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini.
धन्यवाद.
Next participant would be Parvati K. Bhagini.
Namaste.
Namaste, Bhagini. Yes, Bhagini. Question for you is a shloka where Bhagavad Gita has been compared to a mother or a goddess. It is a very easy one, Bhagini.
Mogam karot alam. Loge sachana shashpade raha. Is that one?
No, Bhagini.
It has been compared to
A mother or goddess. If you want, the range is between 1 to 5. You have to search between 1 to 5.
okay. Advaitamritavarshini Bhagavatim
Which
Ashtadashaധ്യായിनीം
shloka number,
Ambat.
Bhagini? First you have to recite. First you have to say which is the shloka number, then you recite.
Fourth one. Advaitamritavarshini Bhagavatim
It is not
Ashtadashaଧ୍याയിनीം
not
Ambatvam Bhagavad Gita Bhavadveshini.
it is not number 4, Bhagini. Check the number again. It is shloka number 1, Bhagini.
Oh, Partaya Pradibodhidam.
Yes. Please say the shloka number and recite.
Shloka number 1. Partaya Pradibodhidam Bhagavadam Narayणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिनां मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्.
Very nice, Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Next participant is Bhuvana Balaji Bhagini. Namaste, Bhagini.
Namaste, Hari Om.
Are you ready?
Yes, ready.
Okay. So question for you is
Yes.
a shloka where a person who cannot speak can become a scholar and a person who cannot walk can scale mountains.
Okay. Any clue? sorry.
The clue, you want a clue, Bhagini? Okay, so the range is from 6 to 10. You can search between 6 to 10.
6 to 10. Can you repeat one more time?
A shloka
Uh,
where a person who cannot speak can become a scholar. And a
okay.
person,
Yeah, I found it. Yeah.
which is the shloka number, Bhagini?
Uh, s- uh, Seventh.
Yes, Bhagini, very good.
Thank
Again, you just say shloka number, then you
Yeah.
can start reciting.
Okay. Shloka number 7. Mukam karoti vachalam pangum langayate girim yat kripatamaham vande paramananda madhavam.
Very nice, Bhagini.
Thank you.
Judges, was that clear?
Yes, Bhagini.
Okay. Okay. Dhanyavada, Bhagini. Next participant is B. Kamakoti, Bhagini. Namaste, Bhagini.
Namaste, Bhagini.
Okay. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. So, question for you is a shloka which describes Veda Vyasa's qualities, and one of the quality is profound intellect, that is wisdom.
Vedavyasa.
Yes.
16th.
No, Bhagini. Try again.
Vedavyasa. Number 1.
No, Bhagini. It's not one. You're very close.
No, number 2.
Very good, Bhagini. Please say the shloka number and recite.
Number 2. Namostu te vyasa vishala buddhe Pullara patra netra Yena tvaya bharata taila purnaha Prajvalito jnanamayah pratipaha.
Uttamam, Bhagini. Very nice. Next participant is Devika, Bhagini. Namaste, Bhagini.
Namaste, Bhagini.
Okay. So, question for you is a shloka wherein a state which can be attained by yogis through meditation that has been described. You have to search for the Sanskrit word which is a state attained by yogis through meditation. You can search between 11 and 15.
No,
No, Bhagini, you're very close.
15. Shanta.
Yes, it is 15. Please say the shloka number again and then recite.
Sloka number 15. Shantakaram bhujagashayinam padmanabham suresham Vishwadharam gaganasudrisham meghavarnam shubhangam Lakshmikantam kamalanayanam yogihrid dhyanagamyam Vande Vishnum bhavabhayaharam sarvalokaikkanatham.
Very nice, Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Okay. Next participant, Durga Lakshmi Bhagini. Namaste, Bhagini.
Namaste, Bhagini.
Okay. So, simple question for you. Now, in this shloka, it is given one who reads the Bhagavad Gita, he is free of fear and sorrow. So, you have to search for the two words which are fear and sorrow in Sanskrit.
Yeah.
Gita Shastramit.
Yeah,
Which is
sorry to interrupt. You can tell the answers also, Durga Lakshmi Bhagini. So the fear and sorrow, tell those answers and then shloka number, then recite.
Shloka number 7. 9, ma'am.
it is not 7, Bhagini. You're very
9,
close.
9, 9.
Is it 9,
Geet-
Bhagini? Check again.
It is in Sanskrit. I am not able to learn. Not
It
enough.
is shloka number 8, Bhagini.
Okay. Shloka number.
Did you find out the words fear and sorrow?
Gita Shastramidam Punyam Yah Patet Prayatah Puman Vishnu Padamavapnoti Vayashokadi Varjitah.
Judges, was that clear?
Can you repeat once more, Bhagini, please?
Bhagini, please say the shloka number also.
Shloka number 8. Gita Shastramidam Punyam Yah Patet Prayatah Puman Vishnu Padamavapnoti Vayashokadi Varjitah.
Dhanyavada, Bhagini. Next participant is Dr. Aruna Bhagini.
Namaste, Bhagini.
Namaste, Bhagini. Question for you is, in this shloka, the Upanishads are compared to cows and the cowherd is Sri Krishna.
Okay. Sloka number 13.
Very good, Bhagini. Please say the shloka number again.
Sarvopanishato gavaka dhokha gopalanandanaka partho vassa suthir bhokha dukkhang geetamritam mahat.
Dhanyavada, Bhagini.
Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini.
Okay. Next participant is Geeta Bhagini. Geeta Annadurai Bhagini.
பகினி தமிழ்ல சொல்ல முடியுமா பகினி கொஸ்டின்?
I'm not that conversant. Sharda Bhagini, can you please help me? Sharda Bhagini or Lalita Sitaraman Bhagini.
Yes, Bhagini.
A shloka where many warriors are named.
அதாவது ஒரு ஸ்லோகத்துல வந்து நிறைய அது போர் வீரர்கள் மென்ஷன் பண்ணிருப்பா. Is it right, Srinitya Bhagini?
Yes, Bhagini.
Warriors is போர் வீரர்கள், right? Yes. Yeah.
Yes, Bhagini.
பகினி ஸ்லோகா தெரியல பகினி. நம்பர் சொல்றீங்களா?
Tell the name of the warriors also.
That's nice.
It is shloka number 5, Bhagini. Please recite shloka number 5. Bhishma Drona Tata. Say the shloka number, then recite, Bhagini.
Thank you, Bhagini. भीष्मद्रोणतडा जयत् भीष्मद्रोणतडा जयत् रथजला कान्तारनीलोत्फला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्धिनी सोऽधीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरननदी कैवर्तकः केशवः.
Geeta Bhagini, இந்த ஸ்லோகத்துல போர் வீரங்கள் யாரு சொல்லுங்க. பேர் இருக்கு, நிறைய பேர் இருக்கு.
Or you can tell guru names. Name of
Okay. So Drona, Bhishma, எல்லாரும் போர் வீரங்கள்.
भीष्मद्रोण जयद्रथजला कान्तारा शल्यग्रा
Ashwathaman.
Okay, okay, good, good. Okay.
अश्वत्थामा
Good. Enough, Bharani, enough.
Nice.
So everyone, first tell the answer for that question, then shloka number and recite. Good.
ओके भगिनी
धन्यवादः भगिनी.
धन्यवाद
Next
भगिनी
participant is Hemavati Bhagini. Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
Okay. Question for you is a shloka which focuses on oneness and service to the Lord.
Shloka number 14.
Very good, Bhagini. Please say the shloka number again and then recite.
Okay. It is shloka number 14.
Yeah, in which pada it's mentioned that seva? Can you?
Okay. It is fourth pada.
Okay.
एकं शास्त्रं देवकी पुत्रगीतम् एको देवो देवकी पुत्र एव एको मन्त्रस्तस्य नामानि यानि कर्माप्येकं तस्य देवस्य सेवा.
Uttamam Bhagini. Very nice.
Thank you.
Dhanyavadah Bhagini.
धन्यवाद.
Next participant is K.S. Revati Bhagini.
Revati Bhagini switch on your.
Yes, madam. Namaste.
Namaste Bhagini. Okay. Question for you is, in this shloka, Bhagavad Gita has been compared to a wish-fulfilling tree.
Madam, repeat the question, madam, please.
Yes. A shloka which compares Bhagavad Gita to a wish-fulfilling tree. To make it easier, wish-fulfilling tree is the Parijata.
The last one, 6.
No, Bhagini.
Stotra Vetraikapani.
No. You can search between first and 1 to 5. Between 1 to 5 shloka you can search.
The question master gave a clue also.
3. Fourth sloga, madam.
No, not fourth shloka, Bhagini. You're very close.
I can't find, madam. Sorry.
It is the third shloka, Bhagini.
Oh. Vasudeva Sutan.
No, Bhagini.
No, Prapanna Parijada.
Yes, Bhagini. First, please say the shloka number, then you start reciting.
Okay. Sloka number 3. Prapanna Parijataya Totra Vetraikapanaye Jnanamudraya Krishnaya Geetamritathe Namaha.
Very nice, Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you, ma'am.
Our next participant is Kamala Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste, Bhagini. So, question for you is a shloka where Krishna has destroyed Kamsa and Chanura.
Shloka number 4.
Yes, Bhagini. Very good. Please say shloka number once again and then start reciting.
Shloka number 4, Bhagini. Vasudevasutam devam tam sachanuramardhanam devaki paramanandam krishnam vande jagadgurum.
Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini. Very nice.
Dhanyavad.
Next participant is Kavita Bhagini. K. Kavita Bhagini.
Yes, Bhagini.
Namaste, Bhagini.
Namaste.
Question is a shloka which shows the division of Gita into 18 chapters. There is a specific word for division of 18 chapters.
Any clue, Bhagini?
This one was very easy, Bhagini. Okay, if you want, you just have to search for 18 in Sanskrit. Do you know 18 in Sanskrit is?
No.
It is
Bhagini,
Ashtadasha.
no need to know Sanskrit. If you know Jyotirlingas, how many Jyotirlingas are there?
8. Ashta.
Yes, Bhagini. 18 will be?
Ashtadashadhyayini.
Yes, Bhagini. Which is the shloka number?
1 minute. Ashtadashadhyayini. Ambhatva manusandadami. Bhagavad-gite bhavadveshini.
Shloka number, Bhagini. Please say the shloka number, then recite.
Ambhatva manusandadami. Bhagavad-gite bhavadveshini.
It is shloka number 1, Bhagini. There it is specified. Ashtadashadhyayini.
Ashtadhyayini. Okay.
Yes, Bhagini. Please say shloka number, then recite.
Shloka number 1. Om Parthaya pratibodhitam bhagavata Narayanena swayam Vyasena grathitam purana munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitamritavashyinim Bhagavatim Ashtadashadhyayinim Ambatvamanusandadhami Bhagavad-gite bhavadveshinim.
Very nice, Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavad.
Next participant is Lalita Satyanarayanan Bhagini. Namaste, Bhagini.
Yes, Bhagini.
Okay. Are you ready, Bhagini?
Yes.
Okay. For you, the question is, in this shloka, there is a comparison of reading the Bhagavad Gita to doing pranayama.
Yes. Slokam number 9.
Very good, Bhagini.
Gita. Slokam number 9. Gita dhayanaseelasya pranayama parasya cha naiva santihi papani purvajanma kritani cha.
Very nice, Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavad.
Okay. Our next participant is Manjula Bhagini. Namaste, Bhagini.
Namaste, Bhagini.
Okay. Question for you is, in this shloka, glories have been sung by the Vedas. Do you need a clue, Bhagini?
Yeah. Once again, the question, please, Bhagini.
a shloka where glories have been sung by the Vedas. You can search between 11 and 16.
Yeah, is it
Question itself has the clue, Bhagini.
11th shloka, Bhagini?
No, Bhagini. Try again.
Eleventh to 15th?
Between 11 to 16, you can search, Bhagini. Where have Vedas been mentioned in the shloka?
Sorry, Bhagini. 16th shloka I don't have. Yeah, it may be 16th one.
Yes, it is 16th shloka, Bhagini.
Yeah. I don't have that shloka, Bhagini. Actually, I missed that recording also.
Okay. Bhagini, is it okay if I ask a different shloka?
Yeah.
Okay. Bhagini, you can...
One second, I just want to confirm whether she is Manjula or Manjula Devi. N
Yeah.
Manjula or Manjula Devi?
Manjula.
Manjula. Okay.
Yeah, Bhagini.
Bhagini, you can then recite shloka number 11. Please say shloka number and then recite.
Shloka number 11. Gita sugita kartavya kimanjai shastra vistaraihi ya swayam padmanabhasya mukha padmadvinisruta.
Okay, Nitya Bhagini. So let us hand over to Sri Vidya Bhagini. Sri Vidya Bhagini will continue the question.
Okay, Bhagini.
Dhanyavada, Bhagini.
Dhanyavada, Bhagini. Sri Vidya Bhagini, you can start from Sriniti Bhagini.
Yeah, sure. I will start next. So Namaste Sarvebhya. I hope you are enjoying the competition. So now the round is going to be quite easy and lot of fun. This one is going to be. The questions following now is going to be a lot of fun for you. So you will all going to enjoy certainly. So I will tell you the rules for this, for the questions that I'm going to ask. The rules are, I will be asking you a pada from a shloka. Your task is to identify the shloka and tell its number. After that, please recite the shloka slowly, following the Sanskrit pronunciation that has been taught in the class, which you have learned. So I'll also be giving you many clues and hints if you cannot identify the shlokas. Yeah. So let's begin the questions now. So the next devotee that I would like to call is Pavana Dhanashekar Bhagini.
Namaste, Bhagini.
Namaste, Bhagini. So I will go to, I hope you understood the round, whatever I'm going to ask.
Yeah.
So I'll go to the questions now. So your pada will be Vahini. You have to identify where the Vahani word is coming and you have to tell the shloka.
Vahani.
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 Yeah, just mention the shloka number and then you can chant.
Vahani.
Yeah, Vahani.
Okay. Shloka number 5, Bhagini. Shloka number 5.
Yeah, it's correct.
Yeah.
You can recite.
भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः.
Very nicely said it, Bhagini. Very nice to hear.
Uttama. Pavana Bhagini, do you know the meaning of Vahani?
Vahani, no, Bhagini, please.
Okay.
Okay, no problem. So I will go to the next devotee. Thank you very much. I'll go to the next devotee now. The next devotee will be Rashmi Rao Bhagini.
Namaste, Bhagini.
Namaste, Bhagini. So your question, I'll go to the question. So your question will be the pada called Vachalam, the word.
Vachalam.
Shloka number 7.
Yeah, correct.
Mukam karoti vachalam pangullangayate girim yat kripatamaham vande paramananda madhavam.
Very nicely cited, Bhagini.
Dhanyawad.
Very clear. Dhanyawad. So the next devotee that I would like to call is Shanta Khannan, Bhagini.
She is present, Bhagini. Shanta Kannan.
Present?
I think she is not present.
Not present. Okay, then I will move on to the next devotee. So then I would like to call M. Sriniti Reddy, Bhagini.
Yes, Bhagini.
Namaste, Bhagini.
Namaste.
So I will go to the question. Your pada will be pranayama. You have to identify where the pranayama is.
Pranayama. Shloka number 9, Bhagini.
Yeah, correct. You can decide.
गीताध्ययनशीलस्य प्राणायामपरस्य च नैव सन्ति हि पापानि पूर्वजन्मकृतानि च.
Yeah, correct. Very nicely cited, Bhagini. Very nicely
Thank you.
cited. Very clear. So my next devotee will be Sridevi M. Mehta, Bhagini.
Namaste, Bhagini.
Namaste, Bhagini. Yeah. So your question, I will ask your question will be Totra Vetra.
That is the third shloka.
Yeah, correct. You can decide.
Shloka number 3. Prapanna parijataya totra vetraika panaye jnanamudraya krishnaya geetamrita duhe namaha.
Yeah, correct. Very nicely cited, Bhagini. Very clear also. So I will go to the next devotee now. So my next devotee will be Momita Maitra Haldar, Bhagini.
And Namaste, Bhagini.
Namaste, Bhagini. So your question will be Vande. You have to identify where Vande is.
Vande. Tamaham Vande. Tamaham Vande. Vande, yes. It's Shloka number 7.
No, Bhagini. No.
Vande.
Vande. It is in the initial shlokas, like between 3 to 5 you can find.
3 to 5.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. In Shloka number 7 also is Yat Kripa Tamahang Vande also to Mukang Karoti Bachalang there is also. So it's I told that it's 7. Yes, I can't hear it. Huh? Can I?
Okay. But you can tell this 4, like other Vande which I'm asking. You can tell that also.
Oh, acha. I thought of it. That is 7th one, Mukang Karoti. Okay. Shloka number 4. There is also Vande. So Vasudeva Sutang Devang Kansa Chanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum.
Very nice. Very nice.
7th one also will I chant? There is also Vande.
No need.
Yeah, both are.
One is enough.
Anyone is fine. You can chant it 4. That's fine.
Okay.
So next
Dhanyawada.
devotee, Dhanyawada. Very nicely said. Next devotee will be N. Manjula Devi Bhagini.
Yes, Bhagini, namaskaram.
Namaskaram. So I'll go to the question here. So your question will be Seva.
Any clue, Bhagini? Was not able to find.
That Seva will be between 13th to 16th shloka you can find.
Okay, it is 14.
No, not 14. Yeah, 14 also is there. Anything you can tell. 14 also there.
Okay, it is 14th. Eko mantrastasya namani. Sorry. Ekam shastram devaki putra geetam. Eko devo devaki putra eva. Eko mantrastasya namani yani. Karmapyekantasya devasya seva.
Very nice, Bhagini. Very nice. Nice excited. Thank you so much. Dhanyawada. The next devotee will be P.S. Revati Bhagini.
Yes, sir.
PV, ma'am.
Is she available?
No,
PV Revati.
Two Revatis are there. PV Revati, KS Revati. You told KV Revati. Something, yeah. So.
Yeah, so I don't know, PV or PS, I don't know. That Revati.
No, two Revati Bhagini. KS and
K.
PV. KS, okay.
Yes, Revati,
Yeah.
she recited already. So PV Revati. Maybe it's a typo error.
PV Revati. Yeah, kindly miss PV Revati.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Namaste
ma'am.
Bhagini. So I will ask you the questions. So your question will be Harikatha. You have to find where is Harikatha. This is quite easier, I think. Easy question for you.
மேம் கொஸ்டின் கொஞ்சம் சொல்லுங்களேன் எனக்கு தெளிவா தமிழ்ல கொஞ்சம் சொன்னா பரவாயில்ல.
தமிழ்ல ஹரிகதா அப்படின்னா அந்த வேர்டோட பேர் வந்து ஹரிகதா. அது எங்க இருக்குன்னு நீ கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். எந்த பாதால இருக்கு, எந்த ஸ்லோகத்துல வருதுன்னு பார்க்கணும். ஸ்லோகா ரேஞ்ச் சொல்றேன் வேணும்னாக்க 5 to 7. 5 to 7 குள்ள தேடி பாருங்க.
5 lakhs ma'am.
கரெக்ட். 5 கிடையாது. 5 to 7 அந்த ரேஞ்ச் குள்ள நீங்க தேடி பார்க்கணும்.
ஓகே. ஸ்லோகா நம்பர் 6.
கரெக்ட்.
ஓகே. பாராச்சர்யவசரோஜமமலம் கீதா கந்தோத்கடம் நானாத்யாக கேசரம் கரிகதர சம்போதன போதிதம் லோகே சஜ்ஜன ஷட்பதை ரஹஹ பேபீயமானம் முதா பூயாத் பாரத பங்கஜம் கலிமல பிரத்வம்சி நஸ்ரேயசே.
Nice recitation, Bhagini. நல்லா இருந்தது. So is it clear, Bhagini, for the judges? Is it clear?
இன்னொரு தடவை படிக்குமா மேம்? இன்னொரு தடவை படிக்குமா?
கிளியரா தான் இருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அவங்க சொன்னாங்க.
It's clear. No problem.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So then I will go to the next participant. Next participant will be Padma Rangaswamy Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini. So I'll go to the question. So your question will be Makara.
So it's 5.
You have to identify which
Makara. Number 5. Makara.
Yeah, correct. Look at number 5. Very nicely found. You can recite.
भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहने कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तः केशवः.
Very nice, Bhagini, very clear. Thank you so
Thank you.
much. Dhanyavad. Dhanyavad. And the next participant will be Soumya Kalluri, Bhagini. Namaste, Bhagini. So your question will be Dugdaha. Dugdaha. Yeah, correct. You can recite.
सर्वोपनिषदो गावः दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत्.
Very nice, you said it, Bhagini. Very nice. Dhanyavada.
धन्यवादः.
Next devotee will be Sridevi M. Mehta, Bhagini.
You're taking it again? I've already done it once.
You're done. Okay. I didn't click here. Okay. So next one will be, is Shrilata Ramkumar done?
No, Bhagini.
Shrilata Ramkumar, Bhagini. Next.
Namaste, Bhagini.
Namaste, Bhagini. So your question is, you have to identify the shloka where it comes like Pradipaha, where the Pradipaha word comes. Pradipaha.
Sloka number 2, Bhagini.
Correct. Nicely found. You can recite.
Namostu te vyasa vishala buddhe pullaravindaya tapatra netra yena tvaya bharata taila purnaha prajvalito jnanamayah pradipah.
Nice, Bhagini. Very nice. Dhanyavada. Next devotee will be Uma Murali, Bhagini.
Namaste, Bhagini.
Namaste, Bhagini. So your question will be, you have to identify Kalimalam, where the word comes. Kalimalam we have to identify.
Yeah. This sloka number 6.
Correct. Very nice, Bhagini. You can recite.
पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटं नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितं लोके सज्जनषट्पदैरहरहः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयाद्भारतपङ्कजं कलिमलप्रध्वंसिन श्रेयसे.
Nice, Bhagini. Nice recited. Dhanyavadaha. So now next participant will be Vijaya Subramanian, Bhagini.
Namaste, Bhagini.
Namaste, Bhagini. So your question will be Prayataha. You have to find where the word comes. Prayataha.
Good. Immediately after listening to the word, you identified the father. Very nice.
This is the 8. Sloka number 8.
Very nice, Bhagini. Correctly recite. You can recite.
Gita Shastramidam Punyam Yas Pathet Prayatah Puman Vishnof Padamavapnoti Bhayashokadivarjitah.
Nice, Bhagini. Very nice. Nice recited. Very clear. Dhanyavada. So I'll go to the next devotee.
Thank you.
Yeah. Next devotee's name is Ravi Shankar Gopi Shetty Mahodaya.
Pranam Bhagini.
Namaste, Mahodaya. Namaste. So are you ready?
Yeah, yes, Bhagini.
So your pada will be Vatsah. You have to find where the word comes. Vatsah. I can give you the range also. Vatsah, it comes between 12 to 15.
13.
13, correct, very
13.
nice. Correct. You can recite now.
सर्वोपनिषदो गावः दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत्.
Very nice, Mahodaya. Nice to hear. Dhanyavada. So next devotee will be Savita Narang Bhagini.
Namaste.
Namaste, Bhagini. So your question is, you have to identify where the word Vistaraihi comes. Vistaraihi.
Sloka number 11.
Correct. Nicely. Correctly found. You can recite.
गीता सुगीता कर्तव्या किमन्यः शास्त्रविस्तरैः या स्वयं पद्मनाभस्य मुखपद्माद्विनिसृता.
Nice, Bhagini. Very nice. Thank you so much. Dhanyavada.
धन्यवाद.
Dhanyavada. Next devotee will be Usha Sundaram Bhagini.
Yes, Bhagini. Yeah.
Namaste, Bhagini.
Yeah. Namaste, Bhagini.
I will go to the question. Your question is Marutaha. Marutaha, you have to find out where is it.
Yeah, Marutaka. Yes. I heard that. Yeah, Marutaka. Yeah. Marutaka. Aswamaita Vigirna Kora, Duryodhana Sada. Sriddha Marutaka. Marutaka.
Last.
Nama? What?
Mostly last இருக்கும் கடைசி ஸ்லோகத்துல பாருங்க லைக் அரௌண்ட் 13 to 16
13 to 16 lastly yam brahma varunendra அதான் அதேதான் that is sloka last sloka 16th that is yam brahma shall I read ma?
You can start.
Yeah. Yam brahma varunendra ruddha marutaka sunvanti divyai sasaihi vedai shanka pada kromoba nishadaihi gayanti yam samagaha ध्यानावस्थित तद्गदेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यै योगिनः यस्यान्तन्न विदुःसुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः.
Nice, Bhagini. Dhanyavada.
Thank you, Bhagini. Thank you.
So the next devotee will be Devi Bhagini.
Yeah, let's say Devika Chandran Bhagini.
Namaste, Bhagini.
Okay, Namaste, Bhagini. So your question is?
Devika,
so you have to identify
turn on your video.
No.
Yeah, your video is not visible. You have to identify the word Sajjana, where Sajjana comes, and you can recite. Sajjana.
5, 6.
Yeah, correct,
6.
correct. You can recite.
पारासर्यवस सरोजममलं गीतातकन्दोत्कटं नानाख्यानककेशरं हरिकदा सम्बोधनाबोधितं लोके सज्जनषट्पदैरगरगः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयात् भारतपङ्कजं कलिमलप्रध्वंसिन श्रेयसे.
1 second,
Nice,
Bhagini.
nice.
Ma'am.
We could not see your face at all. Yeah.
Ma.
So only book was seen. Yeah, just.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah,
Please
now we
recite
can
once more. Huh?
Thank you,
Please
ma'am.
recite. Yeah.
Devika Bhagini, இன்னொரு தடவை சொல்லுங்க.
Devika Bhagini?
She's traveling, so she thought okay, like that she left, I think.
Okay. Then I will move on to the next devotee. The next devotee name is Archana. Archana Shushikanta. Shushikanta.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini. So your question will be, you have to find where the word Kantam is.
Huh? It's not clear, Bhagini.
Kantam. The word Kantam.
It is 15th shloka, Bhagini.
That is correct. You can recite.
Shantakaram bhujagashayanam padmanabham suresham vishwadharam gaganasadrusham meghavarnam shubhangam lakshmikantan kamalanayanam yogibhirdhyanagamyam vande vishnum bhavabhayaharam sarvalokaikanaatham.
Nice, Bhagini. Very nicely chanted.
Thank you.
Dhanyawada. So the next devotee will be Uma Patel Bhagini. Is she available?
No, Bhagini, I think she's not available.
Not
available. Okay. So I will call the next devotee. Next devotee is Saroja Jeevan Bhagini. Not came.
Here, Bhagini. Namaste,
Not there,
Bhagini.
no?
I'm there, Bhagini.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Yeah, namaste. So I will go to the question for you. The question for you is, you have to identify where the word Santihi comes. Santihi. It's between 7 to 10 shloka you can identify. 7 to 10, that range.
Between what's the number, Bhagini?
Between 7 to 10. 7th shloka to 10th shloka, between that it will be. Santihi.
Santihi.
Correct.
Number 2, Bhagini. Gita. Gita Yayan 2.
No, not number 2.
Gita Mahatyam number 2.
Gita Mahatmyam. No, you have to tell from Dhyana shloka.
9, 10, 10.
9 and you tell me the shloka number. Which shloka?
Gita Yayana Shilasya
प्राणायामपरस्य च नैव सन्ति हि पापानि पूर्वजन्म कृतानि च.
That is correct. It is shloka number 9, yeah? You have to tell
Okay.
the shloka number also. Yeah, shloka number also you have to tell and then chant.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Nicely
Thank you.
recited.
Thank you.
Thank you, Bhagini. Next Bhagini will, next participant will be Manthapuram Manjula Bhagini. Is she there? Manthapuram Manjula.
Hare Krishna Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini. Hare Krishna. So your question will be Mantraha.
Mantra. Mantra.
Yeah. See between the 13 to 15, that range.
Ekam Deva 14th Bhagini.
Correct. 14. Yeah, correct.
14th sloka. Ekam
No,
Shastram Devaki Putra Geetam Eko Devo Devaki Putra Eva Eko Mantrastasya Namani Yani Karmapekantasya Devasya Seva.
Very nice, Bhagini. Nice. Dhanyavada.
Thank you. Dhanyavad.
Next devotee will be K. Gurumurti Mahodaya.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Mahodaya, are you there?
Namaste, madam. Are you able to hear me?
Yeah. Now it is clear. I can hear you. So your question will be Kartavya. Kartavya. You have to identify.
Uh, 11th sloka number 11.
11th. No, it is not
Sloka
11th actually. It is between
Gita
20 to 50. Yeah, that one. That is also correct. Both are correct. You can
Gita
recite.
Sugita Kartavya Kimanyai Shastra Vistaraihi Ya Swayam Padmanavasya Mukha Padmat Vinisruta.
Very nice, Bhagavad. Nice. Thank you so much. Dhanyavada. Dhanyavad. So I think every devotee is covered, no?
So anyone left?
Anyone left, I can call it.
If anyone left, kindly raise your hand. Otherwise, we'll complete this session. Yeah. Hope we covered everyone by me. Thank you. Dhanyawad.
Thank you very much. Thank you. It was very nice. Thank you very much. Glad to see you.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಭಗಿನಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
All of you wait.
Wait in the meet.
Don't leave the competition. No, you have to. We will be waiting for your results. No, please be in the meeting. Thank you, Sri Vidya Bhagini, for the nice round.
Thank you so much, Bhagini. Thank you. It was very nice. Thank you.
Thank you, Sri Nitya Ganesh Bhagini, for your first round. Namaste. Anybody is interested in sharing your experience regarding our Bhagavad Gita batch 6 proceedings and anything? How did you join? Anything you want to share means you can share now before your results arrive.
Namaste. I am Hemavati P. When I joined this Bhagavad Gita class, I was very hesitant because I am not from a Sanskrit background. I have never studied Sanskrit. So I was very not confident of myself whether I will be able to understand the, shloka. Will I be able to recite and, meet up to the expectations of my teachers? I did not want to let the people down who taught me and would have faith in me that, I will be able to recite the way they're teaching me. But after going through a few weeks of sessions, now I'm confident enough to, recite shlokas in the way it's being taught. That is thanks to the teachers who put in so much of effort in teaching us daily, correcting our mistakes over and over, to ensure that we get correct pronunciations, correct tune, everything. So thanks to them that at least I am able to recite Bhagavad Gita to at least the extent I'm able to do right now. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Saroja Bagni, for sharing.
Yes, I am Usha Sundaram Bagini. Yeah, just I appreciate this Gita Sri Krishna Parivar. No,
please switch on your video.
Yeah. Yes, Bagni. So first I want to thank that Sri Krishna Sabha, no? That is our group. So first even I thought whether I will be able to learn Sanskrit and this sloka fluently like that. But after learning from these teachers, no, teachers are patiently teaching us where to put Vigarga, Dvidham, and then Maga Prana. I was not knowing this Maga Prana and all because we are from Tamil background. I will recite as whatever Tada, Bhamandal, I was not knowing. After joining this class, I am able to understand it. I hope I will improve, and I am thankful to the teachers who are very patiently guiding us to read this Bhagavad Gita, especially this Dhyana Slokam. The teachers are nicely teaching us, madam. Very thankful to you all. Okay, and especially today, this I was thinking, what is competition? Whether we will be able to tell all these things. After listening to this, how meticulously and in a soft way you are all giving clues and asking her to recite. It is very nice, madam. Very thank you.
Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad,
Sundaram Bagni, for your sharing of experience.
I want to share.
Yes, Doctor.
I want to share, ma'am.
Yes, we can.
Namaste, Bagini. I am Dr. Aruna, retired, and I am from a remote place that is in Tirunelveli district, a small village called Kalakadu. I have my service is also in this remote place only, and I am a retired candidate. I am having very eager to chant Bhagavad Gita, and I want to know Bhagavad Gita nook and corner, and then what to do. I was very worried about it. But as far as Krishna Sabha is concerned, they are teaching very nicely. Everybody is putting their hard effort to make us very good in chanting, knowing the Artha, Padacheda, and then Anvaya. All my hearty thanks to one and all in this group, especially my hearty thanks to Lakshmi Bhagini, Kamashi Bhagini, and one and all in this group, Radha Ma'am, Radha Bhagini, and everybody, and Lalita Sitaraman Bhagini, each and every also. It is a really great service to people, not only to me, those who are very eager to know about Lord Krishna in a proper way of chanting him and praying him, and also with meaning and all, we are chanting is very important to say. I am praying for all of your good health, and I am praying Lord God for prosperous also to all of you. Thank you very much.
Dhanyawad, Dr. Aruna Daya Bagni.
Dhanyawad.
Yes, Manjula Bhagini.
Yeah, hi ma'am. Thank you for everyone actually. Feeling one side very shame because till now why I couldn't learn, but now I got opportunity with all you people. How to say thank you, I am not understanding. And every day I'm telling my sisters, whoever I know, you please join. Very nice like that. And special so much thanks for Aarti ma'am. So many mistakes. Because before I was not knowing I am very good. I am reading very good. I can read Vishnu Sahasranama. Everything I will chant. But I don't know these many mistakes I am doing. Now I found myself feeling sometimes very shame. Till now I couldn't find my mistake. So thank you so much and for everyone.
Dhanyawada Manjula Bhagini. No need to feel ashamed and all that.
No, because so we're chanting, but some mistakes we are chanting. That's what we found it. Now I am each and everything. When I will learn Lalita Sahasranama, Vishnu Sahasranama, I'm concentrate that Visargas, everything properly. I'm concentrating. Before
Now only
also,
we are knowing the rules, no?
yes, yes, yes.
That's why. Before
Thank
that
you
we
so much.
were just
Yeah.
now with the rules we will be reciting, no? So Dhanyawada Bhagini, Manjula Bhagini. Rashmi Bhagini.
Namaste, Bhagini. Bhagini, as most of our co-devotees mentioned, even I would like to thank each and every one of you, Bhagini, because every day you give your time for us, and we are learning so much from you people. It's very nice, and all the mistakes what we are doing, we are the teachers are teaching us, and it's very much helpful, Bhagini. So I would just like to thank one and all who has volunteered and who has been helping us out to recite Bhagavad Gita so nicely. Thank you to Lakshmi Bhagini and Kamakshi Bhagini. A big thanks to them, Bhagini.
Dhanyawada Rashmi Bhagini.
Dhanyavada, Bhagini.
Hare Krishna Bhagini.
Yes, Sridevi.
Hare Krishna. It's all devotees are mentioning the same. Our feeling is also in the same. We are very much thankful to the Sri Krishna Sabha way, which is giving us a chance to learn, opportunity to learn Bhagavad Gita more in a right manner. We are not aware about all this, but I'm lucky enough to learn. I'm very much thankful to all the group of volunteers and teachers, Lakshmi Bhagini, and special thanks to my practice teacher, K. Aarti, very patiently teaching us with a word-to-word mistakes where we are facing, and she's motivating us to learn. I'm very slow learner, Bhagini, but she's very patiently making me to learn. I'm very much thankful. Thank you, Bhagini.
Dhanyawada Sridevi Bhagini for sharing your experience.
Namaste, Bhagini. This is Sridevi Metaya.
Oh, sorry. Previously Manjula Bhagini. Okay.
Yes. Most of my co-devotees have said that teaching is excellent. You all are taking excellent pains. I agree with all that. I won't repeat it again. I just wanted to say you all have made the competition very, very interesting. Initially, I was under the impression we would just chant and go out. You all have made the competition very interesting. Thank you.
Dhanyawada Sri Vidya Bhagini. Nice comments. Next is Soumya Kalluri Bhagini.
Hari Om Bhagini. I second all my co-devotees, Bhagini. First, till now, I didn't try to read Bhagavad Gita, even though I know the shlokas and some of the shlokas meaning also, due to my childhood hearing and all. But what in Telugu one verse is there, Ardhan leni chadavu vyardham, meaning if you don't know what you are reading, that is waste of time. So with that thing only, I hesitated till now. So next I thought I should read, then only I can know the meaning. So I am very happy to see that you asked meanings and asked to search for the sloka. I'm so happy. Like that also, we can know the meanings and read it. It would be helpful for us. Thank you.
Yes, Bhagini, you correctly told. Dhanyavadaha. Next is Padma Rangaswamy Bhagini.
Namaste, Bagni. See, I wanted to mention only one very important thing is this Sri Krishna channel, this Bhakti Krishna Bhakti channel, they are doing it very professionally. So everybody in this group, it is done very, very professionally. They share the links, they take pains to give all the information correctly, how to go about it, how to log in, everything they are doing it very professionally. This really, I appreciate this. Because and as usual, everybody says that no, it is the teaching is excellent. This is the second thing I'm learning in this same group. First Narayanam I have finished. Now I have joined this one. This really very professionally they have done it. I'm learning it so nicely, and apart from that, the meaning and is so very well explained, and you make the program very interesting. Each and whether it is a IP or one-on-one section, all this, you are making it very, very interesting. That is the most exciting part of it, and really I like this. I'm telling all my friends, everybody to join this group to learn this sloka. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Very nice, Padma Bhagini. You followed Narayanam in YouTube? Huh?
No. I had joined this class.
No,
I joined.
parallelly you joined. Okay.
Yeah.
I thought you.
Yeah, no. Previously, my Sritaraman Mahodaya class I have attended.
Yes. Attended? Then?
Yeah, first batch.
But I have not, you have not attended the classes.
But the thing is, ma'am, I couldn't do IP and all. After some 20th chapter, I started doing it on the online that links only. I have learned it.
That's why
I couldn't do the practice session. I couldn't do the IP. So that's why I was not.
But you have completed learning through.
Now this is the third time I am starting again the.
Oh, you joined Malti Balaji
Bhakti's now I am in.
You joined the
Sitaraman Mahodaya class. No. I am doing it by myself. This. Anyway, I have answered that the whole 100 dashikams I have completed.
Yes. You followed in YouTube. Okay.
Yeah, I have followed it in the link and all. You are all sharing it. No, that is very, very great. And that opportunity nobody gives. This opportunity is given by Kamashi Egambra madam. I really thankful to her. Otherwise, I would not have learnt Narayanam at all. I thought Narayanam is a dream. I never learnt it, but I have learnt it at least to some extent. I can recite and then I can pronounce properly. That's really a great thing. I feel I'm so blessed.
Very nice, Bhagini.
This opportunity is this second time. Then Aditya Hridayam also through Sitaram Deya. Now I am learning Bhagavad Gita. Thank you so much, and thank you everybody. Thank you.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಗೀತಾ ಅಣ್ಣಾದುರೈ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. கீதா அண்ணாதுரை பகினி.
நமஸ்தே பகினி. எனக்கு இங்கிலீஷும் சமஸ்கிருதம் தெரியாது, வெறும் தமிழ் தான். நான் தமிழ் வழியில தான் படிக்கிறேன். நான் இது தமிழ் வழியில எனக்கு இவ்வளவு அழகா கத்து கொடுக்குறீங்க, எனக்கு ரொம்ப நல்லா புரியுது. இதுலதான் இந்த சமஸ்கிருத வேர்டு, அந்த மகா பிராணம் அல்ப பிராணம் சொல்றதெல்லாம் எனக்கு இதுலதான். ஏற்கனவே விஷ்ணு சஹஸ்ரநாமம் முடிச்சிருக்கேன் நான். இதுல எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். எனக்கு இதுல புரியுற மாதிரி இந்த தமிழ் வழியிலே நான் படிச்சா கூட எனக்கு இந்த மகா பிராணெல்லாம் நல்லா சொல்லி கொடுக்குறீங்க. அந்த லக்ஷ்மி மேடம் எல்லாருக்கும் ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ். காமாட்சி பகினி, சீதாராமன் பகினி எல்லாருக்கும் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ் பகினி. எனக்கு இந்த தமிழ் வழியில தான் நான் கத்துக்கிறேன். நான் இல்ல மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் எதனாலதான் கொஞ்சம் சாரி பகினி. தேங்க்யூ பகினி.
நீங்க அப்படியே பிராக்டிஸ் கிளாஸ் எல்லாம் அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு யூ வில் பி கெட்டிங்.
கண்டிப்பா பகினி. சந்திரா பகினி தான் இப்போ ப்ராக்டிஸ் செக்ஷன் எல்லாருமே நல்லா புரியுற மாதிரி தான் சொல்லி தராங்க. ஆனா அந்த தமிழ் வழியில தான் படிக்கிறேன். அதனாலதான் எனக்கு இந்த இங்கிலீஷ்
ஓகே
சமஸ்கிருதம் எனக்கு அவ்வளவு புரியாது எனக்கு.
ம்
அது புரியுற மாதிரி இப்ப சொல்லி கொடுத்தனால இந்த அளவுக்கு நான் படிக்கிறேன்னா அதுக்கெல்லாம் நீங்க எல்லாம் தான் காரணம். ரொம்ப ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ் பகினி எல்லாருக்கும்.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಅನುರಾಧ ಸಂಪತ್ ಭಗಿನಿ.
நமஸ்தே பக்னி. பக்னி இந்த
ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
குரூப்ல நான் நாராயணி அம்மா கத்துண்டேன். ரொம்ப நன்னா படிக்க வரல. ஆனா எனக்கு அவ்வளவு தூரம் நன்னா வரல. இன்னும் நிறைய பேர் ரொம்ப நன்னா படிக்கிறேன். ஆனா பெருமாளுடைய அனுகிரகம் எனக்கு கிடைக்கிறதுக்கு இந்த குரூப் இப்ப டீச்சர்ஸ் எல்லாருக்குமே அவளுக்கு எல்லாம் நன்றி சொல்லி ஆனும். ஏன்னா அவளோட இது கிடைச்சதுனாலதான், அவ சொல்லி கொடுத்ததுனாலதான் ஏதோ ஓரளவுக்கு என்னால படிக்க முடியறது. பகவானுடைய அருளை எனக்கு என்னால வாங்கிக்க முடியறது. எனக்கு அது எனக்கு ரொம்ப மனசுக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. எனக்கு இந்த குரூப் நான் கத்துன்றது எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. எனக்கு இப்பயும் பகவானோட அருள் கிடைச்சதுனால எனக்கு ஓரளவுக்கு இங்க பகவத்கீதாவும் நான் ஜாயின் பண்ணேன். அப்புறம் நல்ல டீச்சர்ஸ், பிரமாதமான டீச்சர்ஸ், பிராக்டிஸ் செஷன் டீச்சர்ஸ் எல்லாருமே, வாலண்டியர்ஸ் எல்லாருக்குமே நன்றி சொல்லியானும். அதனால பகவானோட அருள் கிடைச்சதுனால கத்துட்டு இருக்கேன் பகினி. இந்த மாதிரி குரூப் அவ எல்லாரையும் சுமாரா படிக்கிறவாள் கூட அதை கத்துக்க வச்சு எல்லாம் பண்றா. அவ்வளவு பிராக்டிஸ் கொடுக்குறா. அதுக்கு நம்ம இந்த குரூப் கிடைச்சதுக்கு பகவானுக்கு நன்றி சொல்லணும். இருக்கிறவா எல்லாருமே நடத்துறவா டீச்சர்ஸ் எல்லாருக்கும் நன்றி சொல்லிக்கணும்.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಭಗಿನಿ. Besides that, you are active volunteer also. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Bhagini, we are back, Bhagini.
Yes, Bhagini. Everybody will be waiting for the results. You will be announcing the results.
Yes, Bhagini. I'll announce the results.
Yes.
So, all of you, how did you enjoy this competition? Hope you are interested. We'll have C1 competition till 18 chapters. So immediately when you finish IPs and all, we conduct competition. So all of you join.
You have to congratulate this batch for attending in large number.
Yeah, yes. Very good participation by all of you. Hope participation is the best, not winning and all. Maybe later on you can improve your recitation. Okay, just following the guidelines and grammatical rules what teacher taught. If you follow and if you practice every day or every day at least once, then that would be enough. No extra homework is not necessary. So here I am with the results. First, thank you for the judges for taking tough time to select all the mistakes they did. First, winners, third place, Bhuvana Balaji Bhagini. Bhuvana Balaji Bhagini.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Devika Rajasingam Bhagini.
Yes, Bhagini. Yes, Bhagini. Can you hear me?
Madam, you've muted yourself.
Radharani Bhagini.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay. Durga Lakshmi Bhagini. Congratulations to all the winners.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Dhanyawada, Bhagini.
Dhanyawada. Keep practicing and get ready for the next competition. Okay?
Okay.
Good. Now I announce the second place winners. Anuradha S. Bhagini.
Thank you, Bhagini.
Thank you. Anuradha S. Bhagini and Dr. Arunadaya Bhagini. K.S. Revati Bhagini. K.S. Revati Bhagini. M.
Thank you,
Srinidhi.
ma'am.
Thank you. M. Srinithi Reddy Bhagini.
Yes, Bhagini. Thank you, Bhagini.
Maumita Maitra Haldar Bhagini.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank
And
you.
Padma Rangaswamy Bhagini.
Thank you, ma'am.
Pavana Dhanashekar Bhagini.
Thank you, Bhagini.
Sridevi M. Mehta Bhagini. Srilata Ramkumar Bhagini. Ravishankar Gopishetty Mahodaya.
Thank you, Bhagini.
Archana Shashikant Mahodaya. Yeah, sorry, Archana Shashikant Bhagini. Sorry.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಭಗಿನಿ.
Saroja Jeevan Bhagini. And K. Gurumurthy Mahodaya.
Thank you, madam.
Yeah. One more time. Anuradha S. Bhagini. Dr. Arunadaya Bhagini. K. S. Revati Bhagini. M. Srinithi Reddy Bhagini. Maumita Maitra Haldar Bhagini. Padma Rangaswamy Bhagini. Sridevi M. Mehta Bhagini. Srilata Ramkumar Bhagini. Ravishankar Mahodaya. Archana Shashikant Bhagini. Saroja Jeevan Bhagini. K. Gurumurthy Mahodaya. Congratulations.
Thank you,
And
madam.
now,
But
winners, first place.
excuse me, Bhagini.
Yeah.
I think you missed Pavana Bhagini. Just check it up once.
Name
Pavana
Bhagini?
Bhagini told Bhagini.
Pavana Dhanashekar, yeah. Okay.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಭಗಿನಿ.
Dhanyavadaha. And winners, first place. Anuradha Sampath Bhagini. Hemavati P. Bhagini. Kamala Bhagini.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಭಗಿನಿ.
Thank you, Bhagini.
And K. Kavita Bhagini.
Thank you, Bhagini.
Lalita Satyanarayanan Bhagini.
Thank you.
Manjula Bhagini. N. Manjula Devi Bhagini. Rashmi Rao Bhagini. Soumya
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಭಗಿನಿ.
Yeah, Soumya Kolluri Bhagini. And Uma Murali Bhagini. Vijaya Subramanian Bhagini. Savita
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
Narang
ಭಗಿನಿ.
Bhagini. Savita Narang Bhagini. And Mantapuram Manjula Bhagini. One more time. Anuradha Sampath Bhagini. Hemavati P. Bhagini. Komala Bhagini. K. Kavita Bhagini. Lalita Satyanarayanan Bhagini. Manjula Bhagini. N. Manjula Devi Bhagini. Rashmi Rao Bhagini. Soumya Kolluri Bhagini. Uma Murali Bhagini. Vijaya Subramanian Bhagini. Savita Narang Bhagini. Mantapuram Manjula Bhagini. So congratulations to all the winners.
Thank you.
Uh,
Thank you,
Keep
Bhagini.
practicing. Very good. Thank you for participating.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ma'am.
Thank you, everybody.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಭಗಿನಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಭಗಿನಿ.
So it's a time to the main class. So I'll conclude the session with Shanti Mantra. Om.
హరిణి నేను ఫస్ట్ దాంట్లో పాస్.
Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Santu Niramayah. Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. Ma Kaschit Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dhanyavadaha Sarvebhyah. Certificates will be shared in the WhatsApp group.
மேம்
Yes.
நான் ரேவதி பேசுறேன் மேம். அப்ப எங்க நேம் எல்லாம் இல்ல மேம். அப்ப நாங்கெல்லாம் ஃபெயில்டா?
No, it's not failed. You will get participants certificate because
இல்ல அதுக்கு கேட்கலனா. அப்படின்னா எங்களுக்கு ஒன்னும் தெரியலன்னு நினைக்கிறேன், படிக்கிறதுக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அதான் நினைக்கிறேன்.
you improve your registration, Bhagini. improve your expression.
ஓகே மேம் ஓகே. அப்ப எங்களுக்கு எதுவுமே தெரியல, நாங்க தமிழ்ல இருக்கிறதுனால நாங்கெல்லாம் ஜீரோல இருக்கோம். ஓகே மேம்.
It's not like that. You improve your expression. Practice many times.
பகினி
ஓகே மேம், பரவாயில்ல பரவாயில்ல. ஓகே ஓகே.
ரேவதி பகினி
தமிழ்
நம்பர்
தமிழ்
ஆஃப்
இருக்கிறவங்க எல்லாம் ஜீரோல தான் இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன் மேம், அப்படிதான் நினைக்கிறேன்.
ரேவதி பகினி அவங்க நம்பர் ஆஃப் மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் எல்லாம் போட்டு அதுபடி தான் ரிசல்ட்ஸ் டிக்ளேர் பண்றாங்க. சோ
அதான் மேம், தமிழ்ல படிக்கிறவங்களுக்கு தான் இந்த தொந்தரவுங்கிறேன், அவங்களுக்கு தான் ரொம்ப கஷ்டம்.
ஒன் செகண்ட், அப்படி நினைக்காதீங்க. நான் தமிழ்ல தான் படிச்சுட்டு இருக்கேன்.
ஏன்னா நாங்களும் இப்பதான் நான் ஏபிசிடி கத்துக்கிறோம், அதனால சொல்றேன் மேம், வேற ஒண்ணும்
நானும்
இல்ல.
உங்களை மாதிரி தான் இருந்தேன். நானும் உங்களை மாதிரி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அந்த பேட்ச்ல வரும்போது தியான ஸ்லோகாவை என்னாலே எனக்கு கேட்க முடியாது. அவ்வளவு மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் தான் நானும் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தேன். சோ தமிழ்ல படிக்கிறவாலாம் டோன்ட் திங்க் தட், அப்படி நினைக்கவே நினைக்காதீங்க. தே ஆர் நாட் அட் ஆல் ஜீரோ. சான்ஸ்கிரிட்ல படிச்சவாலாம் நன்னா படிக்கிறா, தமிழ்ல படிக்கிறவா ஜீரோ கிடையாது. நான் வந்து இப்பவும் தமிழ்ல தான் படிக்கிறேன், தமிழ்ல தான் நான் எழுதி வச்சுக்கிறேன். என்ன ஒண்ணுனாக்கா நீங்க மார்க் பண்ணிக்கணும், அவ்வளவுதான்.
ஓகே மேம்.
Participant certificates will be issued to B. Kamakoti Bhagini, Geeta Annadurai Bhagini, P.S. Revati Bhagini, Parvati K. Bhagini, Usha Sundaram Bhagini, and Devika Chandran Bhagini.
Thank you, Bhagini.
So, धन्यवादः सर्वेभ्यः. धन्यवादः to all the competition panel members. Thank you, Lalita Sitaraman Bhagini.
धन्यवादः.
I think we can conclude the session, Bhagini.
Thank you, Bhagini.
in the session, Bhagini.
Yes,
Thank you, Bhagini.